it again. She will never forget him. We'll see.
My turn. She must forget him.
It's for the best.
Whatever. We'll find another one.
Luna, wake up! I just wanted you to wake up. Okay then. Leonard, wake her up!
Toilet! My finger! Every morning. Oh no, I'm late for the first day at my new school. So many people. Don't worry, it's just.
Sorry, I guess you're a new student. My name is Pete.
Hey, I'm Luna. It's a
I guess we're friends now.
Sorry.
Class, this is Luna, our new student.
Hey, I'm. The tongue is tied.
Hey,
Hi, I'm Luna. I love cats. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Luna. I'm hungry!
Oops.
So fast. Don't forget about the test tomorrow, guys.
Test. Everything goes wrong today. Who is this?
hey,
Whoa.
This is perfect, this is perfect, this is perfect.
Whoa.
He's perfect. Ooh, he's tall and he's a dancer. Look.
Will you marry me? What are you doing? I'm Leo. Hey, what's your name? Well, I have to go. See ya. Hey!
Leo.
Okay, I'm out.
Go talk to him.
Hey, Luna.
Oh no. Brain, you come with me.
Hey, stop!
Get up.
Hi, Leo.
Hey, do you remember about tonight?
Of course, just don't be late.
Sure.
So what's up?
Nothing.
No.
Again? Enough! What's wrong with you?
Look at me.
That's it. We're blocking his number.
No. Luna, here's your tasty ice cream. These times we need friend support.
Hey, we need to talk.
Hi. You wanted to talk about something?
Leo doesn't know what's going on, and he has a girlfriend. What do I do?
Read a book! How to understand girls? Where is it? Love yourself? No.
I feel so much better now.
Where is it? Eureka!
Oh, I really needed that. Thanks, you're the best.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
What would you like?
Can we have 2 spicy ramen? You like it spicy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
Woohoo! I love spicy.
I'm burning! I'm burning!
Drink some milk. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm bored. We should go now.
Thanks again for your help. Bye.
What? I don't know anything.
It's time to focus on me.
That's right, girl. Huh? Leo is calling. We're not ready.
Just use a filter.
Right.
Hey, Luna.
Hey, Leo.
I was wondering if you want to go out tomorrow?
Like on a date? But you have a girlfriend.
No, I don't. Oh, hey, stop.
Stop, sis! I'm gonna go. Girl, please go away. So, what about tomorrow?
Okay, see you tomorrow then.
See ya.
We are going on a date.
We need to prepare for the test. Date after the test. Read it.
Put that phone down!
Okay. I'm writing.
Oh. We need to study.
I need to study.
I overslept.
There you go.
Thank you.
And don't cheat.
Okay. I need to focus.
On it. Let's do this.
I don't know. Oh, Leo.
What happened? Test.
Leo.
Test.
Leo.
Test.
Leo. To the principal's office now.
Honey, you have to study better, so no phones for the day.
But Mom,
Stay at home and think about your behavior.
I feel like a prisoner. I have to get out of here. All I need is a way out.
What would you like to order?
Just water, please. She's probably almost here.
Say the weather outside is freaking fantastic. Wanna go for the ride, feel the magic. Demand the traffic, it's still romantic, but I'm not that. The situation sucks. Prisoner in my life now, you can't keep me inside. No, I'm going out, I'm gonna dance, I'm going
I want more
out.
water, please.
I have plans to leave love and dance. I'm gonna live, I'm gonna love, I'm gonna do whatever I want. Can't keep me locked up anymore. Can't keep me locked up anymore. I'm gonna live, I'm gonna love, I'm gonna do whatever I want. Can't keep me locked up anymore. Can't keep me locked up anymore. Can't keep me locked up.
Sorry, sir, but we're closing.
Great, best date ever.
Leo, hey! Leo! He doesn't even notice me! I should write a letter.
Where is it? Oh my god. Sorry about yesterday, Luna? Leo! Leo!
Yeah.
Huh? You need to talk to Luna! Luna! Luna!
Huh?
You're in my head all the time.
And you're in my heart.
What are you doing after school?
It works!
Hey, let's go on a date.
Yes! Ew! It's finished.
But I still have some.
Leah's calling, Leah's calling, Leah's calling!
Hi, Leia. Come in 1 hour. I'll call you back. This was my best shirt. This will do.
Stop! 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 Told ya! Aww. Perfect. You should use me more often.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, perfect. You just don't understand art.
A little bit of chocolate. Yeah.
Enjoy.
So good.
It's too much.
Maybe one more.
Warn ya. That's enough, thank you. Okay.
You can't go like that, man. You're right. No! I have to do it. All done. I can make some spaghetti. Oh, it's ready. I should get flowers for Leia. Oh, it's perfect. I guess I'll need something else.
Hey, baby. What's up? Oh!
This will work.
Hi.
Hi. This way. Oh my god.
Wow, I like your house. What design is this, Barack?
No, I'm just
Whoa!
broke.
Come here.
Wait! This is for you.
Thank you.
Let's put some music on.
Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, wow! Wow!
We don't need music.
Oh, that was a chair. Yeah, all right.
Blame the chair.
Thank you. Hi. Oh.
It's good.
Hey guys, it's Buddy's lead. Woohoo! Yay! I'm still here. Hey.
It was a nice evening.
Yeah.
come on, guys.